जम्मू स्थित कन्वेंशन सेंटर में प्रदेश का पहला रियल एस्टेट सम्मेलन शुरू हो गया है। इसका शुभारंभ केंद्रीय आवास एवं शहरी विकास मंत्री हरदीप सिंह पुरी, पीएमओ राज्य मंत्री डॉक्टर जितेंद्र सिंह और उप राज्यपाल मनोज सिन्हा ने किया है। अनुच्छेद 370 की समाप्ति के बाद प्रदेश में पहली बार रियल एस्टेट निवेशक सम्मेलन होने जा रहा है।
Shri Hardeep Singh Puri ji, who also happens to be personally a very kind and elder friend to me, and who has also been gracious enough to spare his time in spite of his hard-pressed portfolios. He was to travel to Uttar Pradesh today, and soon after this program he'll be taking off for Kanpur. At our request, he is here to be this forenoon. I once again wish to thank him on behalf of all of us, also on behalf of Jammu as such. Lieutenant Governor Shri Manoj Sinha ji, who deserves to be complimented and congratulated because he is the person who is instrumental in making this event happen. Along with him, Chief Secretary Shri Arun Mehta, Secretary Housing and Urban Affairs, Government of India, and one of our very dynamic senior bureaucrats in the government, Mr. Jaishankar ji, Mayor of Jammu, Chandra Mohan Gupta ji, Mayor Srinagar Junaid Mattu ji, Dheeraj, Principal Secretary, Housing and Urban Development, Jammu and Kashmir, Mr. Hira Nandani, the doyen of Indian industry, Mr. Bandelkar. Seated before me, I can see the former Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Kavinder Gupta, Deputy Mayor Purnima, all the senior officers from Government of India, the representatives of trade and business community, and some of the eminent faces from Jammu. Ladies and gentlemen, you will recall that soon after Mr. Narendra Modi took over as Prime Minister on 26th of May 2014, one of the earliest declarations of intent that he made was that his government would resolve to bring those regions of the country which had remained relatively underdeveloped or which had missed the development journey of India so that they rise to be at par with the more developed regions. And the exact phrase that he used was कि वो क्षेत्र जो पिछड़ गए, मुख्य धारा से छूट गए या पिछली सरकारों की प्राथमिकता में नहीं थे, उनको उसी स्तर पर ला करके खड़ा कर रहा है. Because exactly what he said was कि अगर एक बुझा बलवान हो और दूसरी निर्बल रह जाए तो भारत माता का समूचा विकास संभव नहीं. प्रधानमंत्री के द्वारा प्रारंभ की गई उस संकल्प से सिद्धि की यात्रा का आज जो हम देख रहे हैं एक महत्वपूर्ण पड़ाव है. And when we look back these 7.5 years, having worked with the Prime Minister, I can say with a certain amount of confidence that we have walked the talk, if not wholly to the extent that we wish to, but at least substantially to a very great extent. And when Prime Minister pointed out to those areas which deserved proximity, he had in mind A, Jammu and Kashmir, B, northeastern region. Today, nearly 8 years down the lane, northeast is being cited as the development model of the Modi government. In spite of the fact that the constraints there were much more than Jammu and Kashmir. The topography is much more difficult. Connectivity is difficult. Communication is not that easy. Weather is not favorable. Even militancy is not that easy as it is in Jammu and Kashmir. यहाँ एक भाई militant है, दूसरा भाई सरकारी नौकरी करता है और दामाद टीचर है. लेकिन 2014 में जब पूर्व उत्तर में हम पहुंचे थे तो पहाड़ों से फायर होता था जब सरकारी गाड़ी चलती थी. They meant to register their presence. In spite of that, if Northeast has undergone that transformation, which Jammu Kashmir has also undergone, but maybe not to that extent. And I think the reasons are not to be elaborated enough because already hinted at by the Lieutenant Governor also and the Housing Secretary also. There has been a lot of development in the last 7 years, but we were bound down by certain constraints, certain constitutional barriers, certain self-made shackles, which didn't allow us to move in the manner that we wished to move, which possibly didn't allow us to conceive an event like this that is happening this morning. And therefore, in the context of Jammu and Kashmir, the moment of reckoning arrived on August 5-6, 2019. And it came as a breakthrough, when the shackles of the past were done away and a new order was put in place.